My name is Richard Luimes. I work for Summit Point Roofing, and we are currently out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. I manage a team of 7 different sales guys as they consult with clients, inspect leaks, and perform various other tasks. This is my second TPO training under the GAF care team. Previous in September, myself and 2 other reps enjoyed the 2-day TPO training. It was enough to whet our appetite for sure. We thought that there was enough broad knowledge and baseline to realize, hey, there's something here, we need to take this a step further. We really wanted to get our hands on the product and do full install from the beginning to end, and that's what this course is all about. So I think what I've most enjoyed is the professional experience that the current instructors offer. Chino, Steve, multiple decades of experience, and every day they're just taking the best of the best and putting that into us. So essentially we're getting all that experience in a 3-day course, which is phenomenal. As we like to say at Summit Point Roofing, all killer, no filler. And here we're just getting nothing but killer. It's great. Even though I'm generally not the one installing the roofs, now that I'm out here welding with actual robots, I'm actually doing curbs and all that, I can speak more knowledgeably and more intimately about the product. They're providing a better product and service to the end user. I'd recommend it to all contractors, even my competitors, quite frankly, because the more that, roofing is an industry with certain taboo or stigma, so to speak. The more the whole industry steps up their game and continues to become more professional and provide better service, the better for all of us.